This is our face recognition cabinet lock. Let's see how to use it. Enter password. You can choose employee mode, guest mode, or mixed mode. Here we choose employee mode for demonstration. Setup successful. Then we go to register the face. Enter your personal information. Register face photo. Face registration successful. You can also register fingerprints, cards, passwords. Finding door cabinet number. Return to the main interface to verify. Open successfully. Open successfully. Now, let's see how it is used.
2号箱已打开。
Open cabinet door inventory.
2号箱已
Open
打
the
开。
door to pick up the item.